Hello students, today exercise 8.3 fourth sum. Listen, a coin is tossed thrice. What is the probability getting two consecutive tails? A coin is tossed thrice. So listen. So first we find number of yes. So 3 coins is there. So first I teach a simply method. If you 2 coins, it tossed means first we get 2 heads. Next 1 head, 1 tail. Next tail, head. Next 2 tail. That like again one time you should write. Next upper side fully you write. You add head only. Next down you add tail. So this is easy way. First you should write 2 coins tossed. 2 head, 1 head, 1 tail, tail head. Next 2 tail. That like downside also you should write. Next upside fully add head, downside fully add tail. Okay. So number of S is equal to 8. Next, what is the question asking? Getting 2 consecutive tails. So I give one name for the event. Let A be the event of getting 2 consecutive tails. So first we find number of A. Okay. Consecutive tails means continuously 2 tails want to come. Okay. So this okay 1. Next this. Next this one. So continuously 1 tail. So number of A equal to 3. Okay. So probability P of A is equal to, already know the formula, number of A by number of S. So number of A how much? 3. Number of S 8. So 3 by 8. The sum is over. Next, fifth question. Listen. At a fee Fet means on incident. Cards bearing numbers 1 to 1000. 1000 cards is there, and number also put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That like number also put. One number, 1 card are put in a box. Each player select 1 card at random. That card is not replaced. If the selected card has a perfect square number greater than 500. So I take 1 card from this numbers 1 to 1000. Okay. But we select a number, perfect square number, how much greater than 500. The player wins a prize. What is the probability that the first player wins a prize? So first we want to find number of yes. So number of yes, how many cards is there? 1000 cards. So okay. Next event. First event, let A be the event of getting perfect square card. Okay, perfect square number greater than 500. greater than 500. So above 500, first start from 22, sorry 23, next 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. That's 32 square 1024. This is increase for above 1000. So we stop this number. Okay. So started from 23 and ended 31. So how many numbers is there? So number of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is number of A. So first question, what is the asking? The first player wins a prize. So first player. So P of A is equal to number of A by number of S. Number of A, how many numbers is there? 9. Next number of S, 1000 cards. So the first player over. Okay. Next second question. The second player wins a prize. The second player. This event I'll take incident B. Okay. So P of B is equal to number of B by number of S. So possible cards is 9 cards first. But already one card took from first player. You understood? Already took one card from first player. So number of B, how many cards is 9 minus 1? 8. Divided by number of S, 1000. But number of A, that means first player already took one card from this 1000 cards. So number of 1000 minus 1, 999. This is the second player. Okay, understood? This sum over. Next, sixth sum. Listen. A bag contains 12 blue balls and X red balls. So first, so number of S equal to total. So how many blue balls? 12 plus X ball. No given variable. So 12 plus X. This is only number of S. Next, if one ball is drawn at random, what is the probability that will be a red ball? So first one, P of A is equal to number of A by number of S. Okay, I'll take red ball only. Red ball given variable only. So X by number of S, 12 plus X. Okay, this is P of A. Okay, next second event. If 8 more red balls are put in the bag, and if the probability of drawing red ball will be twice that the probability in 1. If add 8 more red balls, so number of S equal to 12 plus X already there. Now we add 8 red balls, so 20 plus X. This is number of S. Next, what will be given? And if the probability of drawing red ball will be twice that the probability, so P of B equal to number of B by number of S. Okay, so now also I take red ball only. So how much red ball is there? X plus 8, because now we add 8 red balls more than we added. So X plus 8. Why did I put X plus 8? Because we add more than 8 red balls. So now also I take red ball only. So X plus 8 divided by number of S, 20 plus X. Okay. Next, the probability, what will be given? The probability will be twice that the probability in 1. The probability 1 will twice. So we multiply by 2. Twice means 2 times. Okay, so 2x by 12 plus x. So the probability B probability, this is 1. So twice of 1 will given. So we multiply by 2. Okay, so now we cross multiply. So 20 plus x 2x is equal to x plus 8 12 plus x. So 20 into 2 40x, x into 2x plus 2x squared is equal to, first we finish the x into 12 12x, x into x squared. Next 8 into 12 96, 8 into x 8x. So for 40x plus 2x squared minus 12x plus 8x 20x. Come this one, I can change this side, so plus change into minus up. 12 plus 8 20x minus 20x minus x squared minus 96 is equal to 0. So 2x squared minus x squared, x 2 minus 1 1. Next to 40 minus 20 20x, the greatest number 40, symbol of 40 is plus, so plus 20x minus 96 is equal to 0. Now we factorize, already know this very well. We multiply two numbers, answer is minus 96, add means 20. What is the number is coming? 24. 4, because already I told if last is minus there, we minus the number. 24 into 4 96, 24 minus 4 20. If last is minus there, we put minus in the smallest number. So x plus 24 x minus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 24, x equal to 4. So the probability will come positive symbol only, don't come negative symbol. So the answer is x equal to 4. Thank you, students.